like about him?
Okay, what do you like about him best? You, EJ.
Para teenager.
Exactly. You're in
Wow,
your
EJ? Wow, you're not 23, EJ.
You're already 32.
Oh, game.
Yeah, look, all dad is listening.
Exactly. Go.
Don't make Matt to feel uncomfortable.
Yeah.
We are trying to be nice.
But she's so happy about what she's... Exactly.
You know, Matt, because EJ, for 2-3 years now, that we...
Never saw.
No. She lost her spark, like
Yeah.
happiness. We always see her alone working so much, but the spark is gone. But now we're seeing the happiness.
Yeah, the glow.
Wow.
Exactly.
That is true.
Yeah,
It's true.
That is true.
It's true.
That true smile, no?
Yeah.
Like she's enjoying
been a
life.
while.
Yeah, it's been 3 years, you know.
Yeah.
You wanna cheers?
Like every night we gather, all of us to pray for her.
Yeah.
It's like Nobina. Nobina, oh, di ba? Like a long prayer.
She wants to be like single.
Yeah.
Wow, you're so beautiful to be
Exactly.
single. You know? So
We were
EJ.
searching for monastery.
We just have to be patient. Yeah.
Better hear from you guys.
Yeah, what do you like about her?
No, keep going.
How about we answer the question?
Dapat na si Jory eh. Dapat na si Jory. Oh, what do you like about our sister?
Question, ha?
Oh, what do you like about our sister?
They do multiple choice.
What do you like about our sister?
I think you're pull all your hair out.
They do multiple choice.
That's so easy, my God. Oh, what do you like about her?
You guys are looking for fun.
Of course, this is holiday. It should be fun.
And we want to know because, you know, she's always happy now. She's always so
Yeah.
joyful.
Yeah.
What's the reason?
Yeah, she said she's so happy when you were in Bali. She said you're not stingy.
Honey, man.
Because no.
Yes, put that.
Okay.
Can I?
Wait, Dad.
No.
Take this out in the family.
Tape.
Oh, you're in my house.
Doesn't matter.
No, I'm very happy that he's generous.
Tape.
No.
Kaya ngayon ang prinsipe pwede kaya katama. Kita pwedeng maging royal family.
No, we were just so happy about her comments. We were just so happy about her
Hey,
comments.
one by one.
Okay, what do you like about her? Given she's pretty.
You know, I'm just waiting to see how far you guys can push it.
Yan kasi mayari eh.
Ba't nila kaya sasagot? Marili lang kayo betong at betong.
Okay. Worse than in
Naman na
the
yung
traffic.
sa sarili mo.
in
Sasabi
Sendai.
naman.
What?
What?
She's sweating there, pulling her hair out. Worse than sitting in traffic.
Yeah,
in Sendai.
why? Why are you shy?
Why are you nervous?
You look like you're tense. Why are you tense?
Love, check her BP.
Huh?
Check her BP.
Teenager.
Oh, pinasaksakan ko na rin. Una mo ning kay EJ.
What's wrong with that?
You're happy now? You don't have a comment?
What I love about my husband is...
Yeah. But this one is very talkative. That's why, you know,
Why you want?
if we don't...
We're not interested.
Oh, give your turn.
We are not very popular these days.
Where are your comments in our group? You're very happy, you said. Like, it's God answers, you know?
Wow, yeah.
Wow, yeah, you documented it.
Tape her.
Because they're so bagal to answer.
Aww.
Oh, alam niyo na, iduday ako saya na.
Thank you.